Twisted stitches create small textural details or can produce a cabled effect depending on how they're worked. Twisted stitches are formed when two or more stitches are picked up on a transfer tool and the tool is rotated in either direction, one full rotation, twisting the two stitches together before they're deposited back onto the needles. Depositing the stitches from the transfer tool back to the needle bed sometimes can be difficult as the loops or the stitches tighten up considerably due to the tension caused when twisting them together. Because you're trying not to pull the tool too far away from the needle bed so that the adjacent stitches don't jump out of the hooks, it's important not to pull the needles to hold, as you'll run into them when you try to do the next adjacent twist. The same method can be applied to a 3-stitch twist. Here I've increased the stitch size a bit to make it easier and to make those stitch loops a bit larger, as a greater amount of tension will be applied to these stitches when twisting. Twisted stitches can be offset using similar methods to offsetting cables. So here in the next example, I'm going to reform columns of stitches on either side of the group of 3 stitches that I'm going to twist together, which will help differentiate them from the knit ground that they're going to sit on and produce a cabled effect, although it's a much more rough looking cable than a traditional twisted cable. Still quite nice and could be super effective in a wide variety of applications.